Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a simple home-style stir-fried tofu sticks. Just look at that, glossy tofu, bits of pork, and colorful peppers. It's flavorful, comforting, and perfect with a bowl of hot rice. Alright, let's get started. First, we need to soak the dried tofu sticks. Use warm water, not hot, around 40 degrees Celsius or so. If you don't have a thermometer, that's okay. Just dip your hand in, and if it feels comfortably warm, that's the right temperature. Now add in 1 teaspoon of salt. This helps the tofu absorb water faster. Then half a tablespoon of white vinegar. That's the trick to getting soft, silky tofu sticks. Let them soak for about 20 minutes. While they're soaking, let's prepare the rest. Slice up some pork. Then cut up some green and red chili peppers. And for aromatics, we will use chopped scallions and minced garlic. Let's check the tofu. See? No hard center, perfectly rehydrated and tender. Now, time to cook. Heat a bit of oil in the wok. Add the pork and stir fry until it changes the color. Then toss in the scallions and the garlic. Stir until fragrant. And 1 tablespoon of cooking wine and half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Stir it up so the color and aroma come together nicely. Next, add the drained tofu sticks. Pour in 1.5 tablespoons of light soy sauce and 5 grams of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Keep stir-frying so the tofu really soaks up the flavors. Now add about 250 milliliters of water. Let it simmer on low heat for a bit. Once the sauce has reduced and thickened slightly, toss in the green and red chilies. Stir everything over high heat until you smell that amazing chili aroma. And that's when we know it's ready. Look at that! The tofu sticks are tender and packed with flavor. Every bite is juicy and delicious. Let's give it a try. So good. The tofu has soaked up all the savory sauce. And with a bowl of rice, this is a total comfort meal. If you are ever stuck on what to cook, make this. It's simple, affordable, and tastes amazing. Thanks for watching. See you next time.